Continuing our coverage tonight of a Carmel doctor who died after testing positive for COVID-19. She documented her time while receiving treatment at IU Health North and posted videos about it on social media. As CBS 4's Courtney Spinelli explained, she said she didn't receive proper care because of her race. IU Health has announced they launched an external review to look at how staff handled her case.
She was a doctor that really fought for her patients.
Dr. Susan Moore of Carmel died Sunday after testing positive for COVID-19 last month. During her battle, she shared videos about her treatment for COVID-19 at IU Health North.
This is the second worst day here.
This posted more than 2 weeks before she died on December 20th. Dr. Moore alleged she was not given proper care during her treatment. She says it's because she's black.
This is how black people get killed.
Moore's son says she spent 8 days at IU Health North.
When you send them home and they don't know how to fight for themselves.
During that time, she posted that the staff tried to discharge her as she was begging for more testing and medication to help ease her pain.
He says, you don't need it. You're not even short of breath. I said, yes, I am. I was crushed. He made me feel like I was a drug addict. And he knew I was a physician.
She says her symptoms improved a bit and the hospital sent her home. Then less than 12 hours later, she posted she was being treated again at a different hospital.
I put forward and I maintain if I was white, I wouldn't have to go through that.
A friend of Dr. Moore says she suffered from an inflammatory disease, and she wonders had she received treatment sooner, could this outcome have been different? She says it hurt her heart to see her friend suffering.
Being a person of color as well, like, oh my gosh, if she, being a doctor and being knowledgeable of the system, can't get the care that she needs, that's disheartening for others.
IU Health's president responded Thursday night saying he doesn't think the hospital failed on technical aspects of Dr. Moore's care, but says, quote, I am concerned, however, that we may not have shown the level of compassion and respect we strive for in understanding what matters most to patients. In Indianapolis, Courtney Spinelli, CBS 4 News.
Moore's son says her cause of death was pneumonia with possible bacterial pneumonia. IU Health has also writing in that statement Thursday night, a diverse panel of healthcare and diversity experts will conduct a thorough review of Moore's case. They say their organization is committed to equity and they will continue to seek regular improvements on what they say, quote, has been a long-standing societal issue. We will, of course, continue following this story and bring you additional updates.